All right, so for this lesson, you need a paper where these are, a deck of cards, a pencil, and a paper clip. So go ahead and get those items, and then you can press play on this video again. Okay, so you have your cards, your paper clip, your pencil. This came on a sheet, so you're gonna cut this out and glue it down just like how I have it. You're also gonna write adding decimals practice on the top and today's date. Today is the 20th. As long as you're watching this on Tuesday. Okay. Once these are glued down, you're going to play the game. So the directions are race to 1 million directions. Shuffle the cards and place them face down on the table. So I'm going to open my pack of cards and I'm going to shuffle them and then place them face down on the table. So go ahead. While you're opening your cards and shuffling them and putting them face down, go ahead and pause this video and then press play when you're ready to go. Okay, I shuffled my cards and they're face down. Now I'm going to take my pencil and you're going to spin the digit spinner to see how many cards to draw. So, paper clip, pencil. Paper clip is your spinner. So I'm going to spin it. Okay, three cards. So my first number is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Draw the correct number of cards to form a multi-digit number. Check. Done. I'm going to flip them over. Oh. These are my, you know what? These aren't going to work. I'm going to have you take, it doesn't say this in here, but you're going to have to go through all of your cards and take aces. Anything that isn't a number, take it out. Even your tens, you can't. I guess we could use our tens. So like kings and jacks and queens, go ahead and take those out. And just set them aside. You don't want to get rid of them and you don't want to lose them because you don't want your deck of cards to be without them. Okay, so I'm putting them to the side. All right, let's mix these up just a little bit more. All right, so my first one was 3. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So there's my first number, 793. Okay, so I'm going to spin it again to find out what my next number digits will be. 2 digits. 1, 2. So 88. So what I'm going to do is you're going to add. So add your 2 numbers. So 793 plus 88. Then repeat steps 2 and 4 and add to the previous sum. Continue until you reach 1 million. Okay, so I'm going to flip my paper over. So I have 7, 9, 3. 8, 8, or 88. My line, I'm going to add. So this is just practicing adding. No, there's no decimals in these ones. So, but I want you to practice adding because I know you guys are a little probably rusty on adding. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Remember, carry your tens. 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus 1 is 18. Carry that tens. Remember, you have this placeholder here. 7 plus 0 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so that's my first number. Then I'm going to do this all over again. So I'm going to put these back in the pile, mix it up again, or you can even put them on the bottom. And I'm going to do my spinner. My first one, 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to change it up a little bit. So if you get a 10, that stands for 1/10. So I have 374 and 1/10. Okay, so now I'm going to spin again. So it adds in your decimals a little bit. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ooh, it's going to be a big one. Big one. So I'm adding it to this sum. Oh, wait. I don't think I needed to do that next number. Oh, I don't need to add. This will be my next number. So my next number I'm adding to my sum is 374 and 1/10. So I'm going to add that. So I'm going to put my placeholders over here. 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring down my decimal. 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. So I already did my next number because I was thinking I was picking 2 numbers. So this is my next number I'm going to add. Remember, you're trying to get to 1 million. So this one's 2,346. So you're practicing your places because you have to make sure you're lined up the correct way. You're practicing decimals. You're practicing reading numbers. So start at your lowest place. 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down your decimal. 5 plus 6 is 11. I'll carry that 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I'm to 7,601 and 1/10. So you only add your decimal if you pull a 10 card. That stands for 1/10. Okay, just add in some decimals there. So go ahead and keep on spinning. So I would spin again and see how many digits I needed to pull out. Then I would add it to this sum and keep going until I get to 1 million. When you are done, you're going to take a picture of your work and upload it to this assignment. All right, be careful adding. If you want to use a calculator to check your work, that's fine. But I want to see you carrying that 10 over so I can see that you understand how to do regrouping when you're adding. Okay? Good luck. Hope you pick some good cards. And good job so far with adding your numbers together for today and tomorrow, or yesterday and today.